Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make public watch hours on YouTube. First, understand that public watch hours are essential for joining the YouTube Partner Program. You need to accumulate 4,000 valid public watch hours within a 12-month period. Remember, only views from public videos count towards this goal, so private or unlisted content will not contribute. Also, views from YouTube Shorts do not count towards the long-form watch hour requirement. To boost your watch hours, focus on creating engaging, high-quality content that truly resonates with your audience. Consider evergreen topics that maintain interest over time, ensuring your videos continue to attract views long after publication. Producing longer videos, ideally over 8 minutes, can significantly increase watch time per viewer. Consistency in your upload schedule is also key to keeping your audience coming back for more. Effective promotion is vital for gaining watch hours. Share your videos across all your social media channels to reach a wider audience. Actively engage with your viewers by responding to comments and utilizing community posts. This builds a loyal following. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve discoverability in search results. Finally, design eye-catching thumbnails that encourage viewers to click and watch your content. Regularly monitoring your YouTube analytics is crucial for understanding your progress. Pay close attention to which videos are performing best and try to understand why, then replicate those successful elements. Analyze audience retention graphs to pinpoint where viewers drop off, helping you refine future content to keep them watching longer. Remember, building watch hours takes time and persistence, so continuously adapt your strategy based on the valuable data you gather.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.